Cook every meal to perfection with this versatile and time-saving microwave with grill from Bosch. The variable quartz grill only heats up the central section of the grill, providing a more efficient cooking method that's ideal for smaller dishes, by not heating areas that aren't being actively used. LED lighting fully illuminates the inner cavity, making it easier than ever to keep an eye on your food while it cooks. Choose between two cooking functions with the ability to grill or microwave. You can select the heating method to suit whatever you're making and enjoy ultra-flexible cooking that makes dinner time hassle-free. Controlling this Bosch microwave with grill is a simple task thanks to its super intuitive touch controls.